All right, here we go. I'm just going to show you really quickly just one part of CauseWriter that is custom built for me, actually. And I create these every single week. Tip of your tongue. I'm just going to get it started. And what I've done here is a custom GPT that is aware that every Friday I do like a Friday phrase. And to do that, I like to have a little bit of the meaning, the definition, the history of it, and then the business context as it relates to what I'm trying to say. So the history here, use, I have tip of your tongue. I had it on the tip of my tongue, but I couldn't remember it. All right, when something is on the tip of your tongue, it means you are certain. Yep, but you cannot recall it in that moment. Perfect. I don't love the history. And then in the commentary, in the fast-paced world of business, having something on the tip of your tongue feel frustrating, particularly knowledgeable. Recall seems currency, common experience. So I think the history could be a little bit thin. So here's what I'm going to do. Revise history. I'll spell things right. History with this context. And I did a little research just to add that in. So I just wanted to get a bit better with accuracy of the history that I want in there. So occasionally nudge, ensuring language is inclusive. Yeah, so I also told it to make it around whole whale and promote our inclusivity tool in this case. It does a pretty good job. Now it's rewriting. Great. The history, the commentary. Great. So I'm now going to go down and get tip of your tongue. And I'm just going to take this whole thing and I'm going to go down to my image generation down here and see what's going on with image generation. So on the image gen, we've got this fun way that it's going to help me rewrite the image prompts because I can't think of what I want for tip of my tongue. So this thing then takes it and chops it up with 6 creative ideas with different ways of doing it. One will be minimalist, one will be artistic, one will be photorealism, one will be and it's my favorite, overly descriptive art student trying to prove something to their parents, which tends to go over the top, but sometimes can be pretty great. So the realistic, we have close-up portrait of the person deep in thought, eyes gazing upwards with the phrase, tip of your tongue, materializing, faint mist. Oh, parted lips symbolizing a forgotten name. The tableau vivant that encapsulates the quintessence of elusive cognition and individuals. I mean, this is just funny. I just want to see what happens. And also, I like to include that. So I'm going to go down. It's doing some other stuff. And I have an image generator down here. This is a DALL-E 3 model. We try to add the most viable, safest, best models into our tools, but who knows what this thing's going to come back with. And in the process here, it's been about 3 minutes. I'm getting a pretty, whoa. I mean, I'll take it. So I'm going to go ahead and go post. I'm literally going to go post this to LinkedIn. That took me 3.5 minutes to create. Not bad, saving me time. And that's the value of just one example of writing when I know the purpose. We have other tools and we love building these custom tools for social impact organizations looking to do work a bit faster with GPTs, the best GPTs that know them, don't train on them, but have been trained on your information. Hope that helps show you a quick demo of just one example.